We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Hello, my little kitties. This is Oliver the Cat. Today's episode will be on what we have just come through with an election in our country. I know, little kitties, you may not understand everything that is going on, but you need to be educated on your rights as an American citizen. Now, our parents may think that whoever they voted for is the best one, and other parents may disagree. We will not let us as little kitties be affected by how we treat one another because our parents have a disagreement. We are to love one another because we are neighbors and friends. Let's make our parents learn from us little kitties. Let's show them that we are brave and that we can accept people and their differences in opinions. We may be little kitties, but we are strong, we are honest, and we want the best for one another. Remember, little kitties, always show love and respect. That's the end of our lesson today. I hope you had a great time, okay? Guess what, my little kitties? We have a new song written for us by the popular Inerje Barrett Sr.
Many people have dreams of freedom. They come from far and wide. They study just to become a member of a big country with love inside. They earn the right to have a voice. They earn the right to have a choice, to vote on what they believe. Imagine what they can achieve. Stand in line for your chance. Wiggle your arms and do a dance. Move slowly until it's your turn. You've waited so long, your heart burns to vote for freedom. Yes, you see, my vote is for all to be free. We don't have to agree. I'm free just to be me. People have views from both sides, some so strong they cannot hide true feelings in their hearts. They must learn how to start, to find a common ground where understanding can be found. Not everyone agrees, it's my right to be free. I believe that for you and me. Ooh, I believe that for you and me. Ooh. Stand in line for your chance. Wiggle your arms and do it. Wiggle your arms and do it. Dance. Ooh, dance. must understand each other and not attack one another. Let the children show you the way, how love is shown today. Ooh, reach out your hand to all throughout the land. We are Americans, no matter what. We are Americans, no matter what. Give love today. Stand in line for your chance. Wiggle your arms and wiggle your arms and do a dance. Move slowly until it's your turn. You waited so long, your heart burns for freedom, freedom. Yes, you see, our vote is for all to be free. We don't have to agree. I'm free just to be me. Give love today, baby. Give love today.
All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.